Hello angels, and welcome back to my channel. It is BabySavvy here, back with another video, and as always, to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. This video is crafted for the waste not, want not angel in you. As you can see, my baby here, BabySavvy, is sporting a Nike hoodie that I had to repair for her. Okay, but if you're just trying to make you some Nike, this video is for you as well. I'm going to show you all how I did this logo, and I got this idea from another YouTuber that I will be putting in the description below. But if you want to get into this video and see how I saved my coins by revamping this Nike hoodie that I got for her, it was originally a boy hoodie, but I just jazzed it up and made it very girly for her. If you want to see how I did so, go ahead and keep on watching this video. You're going to need your iron-on transfer sheet that I have here. This was $5.99, $4.99. So I got this from Michael's. And then you're going to need some form of tracing paper or regular paper if it's thin enough. And you're going to need either scissors or X-Acto knife or box cutter. Okay, so I'm going to take my tracing paper here and just like use it as a way to make a marker for how large the Nike sign is. So I can kind of see like where the residue left pretty much like a indent on the hoodie. So I'll mark where it starts here and where it ends, just so I have markers for how big the Nike sign that I'm going to print off will be. So once I have my markers, I'm going to go ahead and measure out the 2 points in between the 2 points, just to know how many centimeters as well as how many inches are between 2 points. So when I go on the internet looking for Nike signs, I can type in a 5-centimeter logo and a 2 and about 1/4 inch logo. So I'll just write that on there, so when I look for my logos, I'll know exactly what size to look for. Okay, so this is the hoodie here. Like I said in the last clip, it got ironed over, so I'm just gonna try my best to get the rest of this residue off from the logo, and then I'll show you all what I do next. Okay, so this was pretty much the hardest part, which was scraping off the residue. Yeah, it just took the longest amount of time, and I ended up not getting it completely off, I must admit, but I did get it as smooth as possible. So if this is what you're doing, if you're repairing a logo, you just want to get off any like residue that may cause your new logo not to sit flat. That's the best suggestion I have. You may want to go in with some heat, but I was just too afraid that I would burn the hoodie, so I just did not even try it, because that's how I got in the situation, by ironing this hoodie and it burnt. So just didn't want to do that again. But moving forward, everything's going to be in real time, so you can see how easy it was to just revamp this logo. Okay, so I did find a Nike logo on the internet. Unfortunately, the measurements that I just found, or I was like looking for, I didn't find them exactly, but I found something close enough. So I just went ahead and used the closest one I could find. I printed off 2 and just selected the one that best fit the measurements I was going for, and I'm going to just cut it out. You can use the box cutter X-Acto knife if you want to cut out your logo, or you can go ahead and use some scissors like I'm doing here, because I'm just nifty with scissors, so it didn't really bother me to use scissors, and I have that X-Acto cut, you know. So I just went for it with the scissors and cut it out. So when you use your logo on your transfer paper, you want to make sure you turn it on the right side up, because you want it to be facing the right way, of course. So if you're doing something that's more intuitive than just a Nike sign, make sure you're facing the right side up. And I'm just going to cut out a single piece of this transfer paper because I did not want to waste any, because I'm sure you all will be seeing this again in another one of my DIYs, because I really did like the way I was able to handle it. And I taped it down. I taped my logo down to the transfer paper to cut it out. That's something I didn't show, but look, it's just like perfection, guys. Like, come on, you see it. So once I had that cut out, I placed it like literally on top of the old one, and it sat so flat. And then you want to go ahead and get a piece of cotton or some type of fabric to place in between your iron and your logo. I'm using my little craft iron, and it's just so freaking cute. Glad you all finally got to see it, but I'm just using this iron, and the instructions say to let your iron sit on the logo for at least 40 seconds. So like I said, this is in real time, but that's just like a little sneak peek for you all. It's just like flat logo on flat, y'all. Like, I was so happy with this, and I'm just glad you all decided to click on this video, and thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed at this time, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Well, I will be showing you all how I preserve my coins as a mommy and my mommy lifestyle videos, mommy DIYs, mommy and me DIYs, and my natural hair videos that I upload every Tuesday at 7 p.m. So if you are not a part of the Savvy Squad, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and while you're there, hit that notification bell to get notifications so you won't miss out when I upload every Tuesday. And as always, I pray you all continue to live your blessed life and be